Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Alpha Trader, and in this video I just want to show you guys how to use this custom indicator. Okay, for those of you who have purchased this custom indicator, first of all I want to say congratulations to you guys. I want to say congratulations. Okay, congratulations, because you are on your way to financial freedom, right? Okay, so I'm going to show you guys how to use this, how to install this indicator. Rather, I will show you guys how to install it in your system, right? How to install it in your system. Meanwhile, I want you to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and check the description box. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. If this is your first time coming here, make sure you subscribe to this this channel and try and get this indicator as well. Okay, so let me show you guys how to install it. Before then, you can see, in case it's your first time, you can see the indicator, you can see the signals. Look at this here. This is where it gives us a buy. You can see this red arrow pointing downwards. It is a buy signal. It gives us a buy signal, and you can see all the way down here, right? And then this, sorry, it was a sell signal, right? Sell signal. Then this is a buy signal. Here you can see this arrow pointing upwards. There is a buy signal, and you cut these spikes all the way here. Okay, all the way here. Now this one is a sell signal. This sell long. As soon as you see this one, should have been out. Okay, so you have broken even. This should have been a break even, and then you buy again and catch all these spikes. Same thing here. This should have been a break even. Then you buy here. Okay, you buy here, and then you are catching all these spikes here. Look at it, you catch all these spikes. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing, guys. As I told you guys earlier, this indicator comes with a support and a resistance lines. It's going to give you support and resistance, right? You're going to see know where your support is, you're going to know where your resistance is. Now it gave us a sell here also, and we sold all the way down to this place. Okay, and you can see the support and resistance line. This is a resistance line here, this is a support, and they gave us a buy, and we have caught one of these spikes. Okay, now it gave us a sell here. We are still selling. I am still holding my position. Okay, this is a sell position. I'm still holding it up to this point. So this is how it works. It works very perfectly well. It works perfectly well. Okay, it works perfectly well. You can also go to the higher time frame to get some higher time frame support and resistance. You can see this is a support here, and this is a resistance here. That's the power of this indicator. So let me go straight to show you guys how to install it. Now the first thing, you have to go to your let's assume I sent you this on Telegram. Okay, let's start from there. I sent you this on Telegram. You can see I actually use the custom indicator to send a signal to our VIP channel. You can see I use it to send a signal, and you can see what's happening, how we milk it. This is it. So you have to purchase this. You have to get this indicator. You have to really get it. Okay, it took me a lot of time to build this indicator, and I'm happy. It's very good. So you just, assuming you just receive it from this thing. If I send it to you this way as it is now, what you are going to do first is to download it, right? If you download it, if you click on it and download it, then you are going to come to your system. You're going to go to your folder, right? Look for it. Okay, let's see downloads. Yeah, this is it here. Then as you see it here, click on it and copy, right? Copy it. After copying it, I don't need to copy it again because, okay, let me just copy. I've already installed it, so no need of copying it actually. Then come to your what do you call it? Come to your MT5, right? Come to your MT5. This is your MT5. Then head straight to your files. Click files. Then come to open data folder, right? Open data folder. Then come here to your MQL5. MQL5. Click on MQL5. Open it. MQL5, then look at the indicator. Yeah, this is indicator here. Click on indicators, then here right click and then paste it, right? Right click, you paste it. I already have it, so that's why it's asking me whether I want to replace. Okay, so I'm not replacing it, I already have it. So when you click it, like I see this is it here, it's already installed in my system. Okay, so after pasting it, then you are going to go over. You can close the folder, right? Then what you're going to do now is come over to view, right? Come to view, then navigator, then you're going to scroll with your mouse, locate where you have it, EasyTrade. Yeah, EasyTrade indicator, EasyTrade. Yeah, this is it. You have it. You can click on it. If you click on it, you're going to see this screen will pop up here. Okay, so you're going to have this place where they ask you allow modification of signal setting. You may or may not click it. It doesn't really matter. Then click OK. Right? You can actually check out some few things here. Right? Okay. So every setting is perfect. Just you don't need to worry yourself to set anything. Just come here, click OK. Right? It's installed in your system. Or if you don't want to double click, you can just drag it. Right? Click on it and drag it. You can see it like this. And to show you this, click OK. Right? Then it's done. Just as simple as that. We are done installing the custom indicator. We are done installing it. So it's as simple as that, guys. It's as simple as that. After this, the next thing you need to do, okay, the next thing, okay, let me just delete it now. Let me just delete it because already, let me just delete it and install it. Okay, let me delete it. Right, let me delete it. Oh, sure, it's gone. Okay, it's gone. Now let me come to view, navigator. Right, I'll drag it and paste it here. Click OK. Oh, it's not it. This is it. Click OK. Yeah, this is it. It's actually up. Now this is it. But in case you did not see it in your folder in this navigator, what you do is you just exit your MetaTrader 5, close your MT5, just close it, just like that. Close everything. Right, close the MetaTrader 5, then reopen it. Reopen your MetaTrader 5. If you reopen it, okay, just reopen it, it's going to show. Yeah, like this. Go back to view, navigator. You are definitely going to see your EasyTrade indicator. Right, I'm going to see it and click, drag it, like I said, drag it, come to the screen, and it will show you this. Click OK and it's installed, just like that, guys. Just like that. It's as simple as that. You can begin to use it. So this is it, as simple as that. So subscribe to the channel if this is your first time. Like this video also and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. Okay, you'll be notified. Now check the description box. You are going to see a link to my Telegram channel. You can follow the link. Just click on the link and be taken to my Telegram. There you can reach me directly. You can be a part of the family and get more updates. You can also join our VIP channel. You can also join our academy and mentorship. Right, you can join our VIP academy and mentorship. So let's do this together. Okay, thank you very much, guys. And as I always say, it can only get better. Bye.